Hi everybody, here's my mostly completed 2018 4th of July stash. Just to point out individual items, we've got the Black Cat Bug Zapper, Brouhaha, Sundance, the Free Vibrant Voltage, the Amazing, 2 Pure Fantasies, Resurrection Day, Cozy Cone, 2 Sparknadoes, Wild Side, 2 Cool Breezes, 3 Mini Pyros, 2 California Sunrises from DFS, Night Treasure, couple Want to Play Games, Major League Pyro Marble Madness, Illuminescence, and here's an Illuminati triangle right next to it, just so you guys can see the size difference between the two. A few Mind Games, 3 Mauis, the Zip and Zings, one is questionable, but we're going to try and work it out. Pacific Paradise, Malibu Madness, TNT Luck of the Irish. If you don't have this one yet, get it. It's most likely going to be discontinued this year. Just my speculation, because it's 17 years old now. One Everglow, which is a must-have because it's, I think, out of everything I have here, it's one of the only ones that has the I don't know what you call it, the flying fish zip effect, where you have sparks flying in different directions. They kind of change direction as they go. Havana Heat, Magic Whip with Bomb, which is the kind of a magic whip on steroids by Sky Bacon. 6 Magic Whips, 1 pack of Ground Mines, 5 packs of Twister Sticks, a 2 pack of Mini Monster Cones, some regular Crackle Balls, a Happy Ending, some of those Ladybugs, a pack of Night Spies, and 5 Mammoth Smokes. Looks like they came out with a new patriotic themed wrapper for these this year, so I got a few of both. A brick of Crackling Ground Blooms, pack of Lightning Rounds, which are those like 1-minute crackle jobs. About, I'd say I got 29 left of White Hot Jumbo Ground Blooms, and underneath there are those some generic ground blooms. I just have 2 neon sparklers left, and then we have the regular traditional old school sparklers and Morning Glories, most of them Blockbuster. A few people said they didn't have good luck with those last year, but from what I experienced, they were my favorite Morning Glories. And so there you go, folks. Here's the 2018 stash, mostly completed. The bird you hear in the background is Mr. Peepers, the cockatiel. Oh yeah, and there's just a few miscellaneous novelties in this box right here. Some, I believe those are DFS smoke balls from last year. More dragon snaps and poppers than I can deal with. A couple Screaming Willies. Trying to get the big picture for you folks here. And there you go, guys. I Definitely don't have the largest SNS stash this year, but I went kind of for more quality than quantity. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe, and we'll have more coming as far as videos. Happy 4th.